I'm gonna do that. Excuse me. um, excuse me. That I actually have to burp anyways. Okay. Okay. That was kind of, I think, all I had, maybe. I still love them. You know, when I was little, I used to wish that I was like, oh, I was gonna burp really loud. Who wants a tip for it? Oh, look at that. Okay, damn it. I'll do one more because I feel like those weren't even my biggest burps. I shouldn't have held that first one back, dude. Because that was gonna be such a big burp. Because that was like natural too. I still think I have a burp. I think it's in one of my videos. Here. That was kind of loud, but it wasn't as long as some of it that I've done. Okay, I should stop burping now. That was my last one. Cool. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. That was the one I had, I think. Shit. Fuck.